Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use the Astic scripts to disassemble CVs. So what I have here is 3 shells of CVs. Let's pretend you killed them and this is what is left. I put 3 of them just so you can see all the differences between each script and each command. So the first thing you do, you put in the cores in those CVs, and now we have to build a platform for the scripts. Obviously the scripts you will have on your own ship, so you don't have to build anything after you kill a ship, but I will take it from zero and show you the whole process. So what you need, don't mind these things, this is everything that you need for the scripts to work. This, the ND Pulsar core, is specific for the server, but you don't need that to actually use the scripts. I will just use it so that I don't have to use power in my build. Let's put it down there. Now I'm building my own CV. Let's call it script video. Okay, now retrieving the block, putting this on. Okay, let's place a generator. And now to the important stuff. What you will need is okay, I made the wrong one. So what you will actually need, give me 1 second to craft it, is a container controller. Like that. And 2 screens. This is everything to get your scripts going. Now the actual script that you need, I will show you that in Discord. There is a channel where you can find it, the exact script. It was by BDaddy, so it's easy to copy and paste it. Okay, so there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First, let me power the ship. Okay. Now, add devices. You need to have them all grouped. I would say that if you have a big ship with a lot of LCD screens and stuff, just place the 2 LCD screens in a special group. You can do that with add group. Let's call it script. Then you click on the LCDs, add to group, and move them around until you are happy with the positioning. I would do the same thing with the box, just for it to be easy. Now we will rename the LCDs into script decon. So it's script column decon, and then the other one directly to decon. The container controller, we will rename this to salvage. In order for this to work, you need to have the exact same names for all 3 pieces. Now when it comes to the script, you access this one, delete it, and just paste the code. Now let me turn off the scripts here just so they don't interfere with each other. Okay, script decon. Okay, now you will see here a bunch of names and data, but this is because all my ships are around here and all of them appear on the screen. So what the script does is gives you 3 ways to dismantle these ships. The first would be S. So the S means salvage. It's gonna strip everything to components, but leave any containers, like the rare loot containers, for you to go and pick yourself, because the script doesn't take stuff out of the containers, so be careful with that. It's not gonna work. Now there are 2 ways to use it. First, you go to the screen, you check the name of the ship, and it's gonna tell you to rename the core to whatever this is. Now, the easier way would be just to go to the ship, press P on it. We need to have the core the same inside one of these folders. You go to statistics, and you see here is the ID, right? So it's 813185. You go to the core, you name it S in this example, 813, and I'm very bad at remembering stuff, 185, and press enter. Now the script will instantly remove everything except for the core. This you will have to pick up yourself, which is instant, and now everything is going to be here. So you see, it was 30 combat steel, 8 steel blocks, 1 Imperial missile turrets. Okay, we take those. Now the second would be D, which is Deconstruct. Is going to do exactly the same thing, except it's going to take everything from it, and you will not have the rare loot containers still on. So if you don't care about the loot, or it's just way too damage to have any loot left, you just do the D command, and let's do it here. This is 813186. 813186, and press enter, and it should be instant. Yep. And we take that. Let's check the box. I think a different box picked it up. It might be a problem with me having, I think, the scripts on a different ship, but it doesn't matter. Now the R command, you go here. This is going to give you everything from the ship in basic resources. So no matter how, like, you know, a deconstructor gives you electronics and stuff from something that's constructed, this will actually give you the ingots from everything. So you go into the core, the same thing, 813187, 187, press enter, and it should delete it. Yep. And now let's hope this is the one that picked it up. Okay, it didn't, but this is the second point that I wanted to tell you right now. You will have to put a lever anywhere. Link the lever to the screen, to this particular one, the script decon, not the decon that I was looking at, the script decon, the one with the script. You link the lever to it, so that you can turn it off whenever you're not using it. Why am I saying to turn it off when you're not using it? The script will always be active, which means um, you will lag everything around you and yourself sometimes, depending on your computer and on your internet connection, everything. So always have a lever connected or a button or anything connected so that you can turn it off and just turn it on whenever you use it, and don't leave it like that, right? But basically this is it. This is how you can use scripts. While it's not specific to ND, the new Dawn server, it works really well, and people are actually working on it. The admins are very active to any kind of issues that come up, so you will be able to use it anytime. Okay, thank you for watching, and next video I will show you more about ND specific stuff and the new ingots for this season, because the server was just wiped. So stay tuned. Have fun. Bye bye.